Hi everyone and welcome to another class with Buff Browz, and today we are going to be exploring a lamination paired with a stain. For this particular technique, your preparation is so key. So really ensuring that the area is fully cleansed and detoxed is super important. For this client, I've started to cleanse the area with Purify, and then I am lifting any dead skin cells with Polish. This particular client has requested a super bold result, which is why a lamination paired with a stain is going to give her the final finish that she's looking for. So I'm using our Cysteamine system, which is my favourite system. And I am just applying step 1 to the eyebrow hairs, and this is going to restructure the direction of the hairs and now start to reshape the entire brow. I do love to use a film wrap just to try and speed up the process a little bit and also help the hairs to lie flat to the skin. I always tend to do a step 1.5 with Heavenly Balm before going in with step 2. And don't underestimate just how much product you need for step 2, as the hairs can fully absorb the product very quickly. Now you must ensure that the area is free of any moisture and excess products, etc. So I've just used Purify to clean the area, and then I will follow with Detox, and I actually dried the area out with a fan to remove any water and moisture. It's always a good idea to map out the shape of your brows before applying a stain. And with our stain, we do use a watercolour technique to really ensure that the stain is super thorough and that we get a really good process. Now, to start to lift the stain off of the skin, we can use Rinse, which is a colour care shampoo, and this is going to help maintain the skin grab. Thank you so much for watching today. Please do like this video and leave any feedback or comments or questions below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.